how to make strike-through text on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send text that has a line through it within the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. So it's really easy to do this. All you need to do is simply surround your text by a tilde. So to type a tilde on an iPhone, you select the number button right there, and then the symbol button, and you'll see the tilde right there. Select that. You don't want to have any spaces between the tilde and the text, so type what you want, then go back and type the tilde again. And as you can see, it'll show the strike through. So now when I send it, it sends the strike through text. Additionally, in WhatsApp, there's a really cool trick you can use to send custom fonts and things like that. And that's going to be a website I built called texttrick.com. So you can check the description if you want to be able to send text like this, and just go to the website. And all you need to do is type in this little box up here, the text that you want to send. Once you type your message, scroll down and you'll see all the different fonts that are available that you can send within WhatsApp. So here's one that's kind of like a strike through. Once you see one that you want to send, select copy next to it, then go back to the WhatsApp app and simply paste that in, and it'll send that really cool font on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.